Hello students. So today we will revise lesson 2 of Beehive, that is the sound of music by Deborah Coley. And today we will revise its first part, that is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Okay, so this part is about the famous multi-percussionist Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn became deaf at a young age. However, she worked hard to earn music and became one of the world's most famous multi-percussionists, and she has won many awards, and she is a role model for the handicapped people. She was born in 1965 in Aberdeenshire in United Kingdom. And when she was 8 years old, her hearing disability was first noticed by her mother. She was 11 years old when it was confirmed that she had a hearing problem. She wanted to pursue her career in music, but her teachers discouraged her. It was Ron Forbes, one of her teachers, who recognized her potential and supported her. He advised her not to listen through her ears but try to sense it in some other way. This proved to be the turning point. She learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. After that, she never looked back, and she joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored the highest marks in the history of the Academy. And she worked hard and with determination stood against all odds and got right to the top. And he gradually moved from orchestral work to the solo performances. And he brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. She was presented with Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious award, Soloist of the Year award. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn gave free concerts in hospitals, prisons, and also to aspiring young musicians. She became a source of inspiration for the deaf and other handicapped children, and she inspired them and made them believe that if Evelyn could do, so could they. Students, now we will revise question answers of this part. First question is, how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? I think all of you know its answer. Yes, she was 17 years old when she went to Royal Academy of Music. Okay, so next question is, when was her deafness first noticed and when was it confirmed? So her deafness first was noticed when she was 8 years old, and her mother Isabel had a doubt about Evelyn's hearing ability when she did not move after her name was called to play on the piano, and at the age of 11 it was confirmed when she was taken to a specialist. Okay, so next question is, who helped her to continue with music and what did he do and say? So it was Ron Forbes, one of her percussion teacher, who helped her to continue with the music. She used to hear music by sensing the notes in different parts of her body. Ron Forbes taught her to hear like this. He tuned two drums in the different notes and asked her to sense the sound in some other way. And Evelyn realized that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. And in this way, she felt music through all parts of her body. Next question is, name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. She, apart from regular concerts, she performed in prisons and hospitals, and she also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Okay, so our last question is, how does Evelyn hear music? Okay, so how does Evelyn hear music? Evelyn was deaf. She used to hear music by sensing the notes in different parts of body. Ron Forbes, her teacher, taught her to hear music like this. He tuned two drums in different notes and asked her to sense the sound in some other way. Evelyn realized that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Okay, so when she played the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her finger tips. While leaning against the drums, she could feel the sounds flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removed her shoes so that the vibrations could pass through her bare feet. She also told that music flowed through every part of her body. It tingled in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair.